Okay guys, now what am I supposed to do is I'll tell you how I create the videos that I posted in the recent and actually know it. So someone is lying in front of me, so let's go to filmmaker. Please. Okay, now we're here. This video is made by filmmaker. Okay, explain myself. Okay, I don't have any projects, so idealism. Okay, I don't care. I don't have any photos or videos in it. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. No, I know. Wait. I know. Wait, right here. I'm right. There are something in here, so I'll use by this video. Now you're seeing this video. I mean this video. Okay, let's open it. Let's use it. Okay, just right. Then you play it like this. We got music. We got gaming music if you want, because I delete all of my music, so I use the real sound. I can record it. I can record my voice using this. Yeah, I can save. Wait to cancel. I can use this microphone to record me. Hello. Okay, it's 3 seconds. Hello. How are you? Who are you? Okay, now I am. Okay, currently support is not. So because of I'm recording the by using X recorder.
Yeah.
So I gotta download it if I want this. I choose like this. Okay, 30 megabytes. Medium 720p 10. Low 480. 3. 1 megabyte. Okay, just exit because I don't want it. So you can use download it, but read the instruction below. I know you can know it, but the application, if you don't know it, I'll show you how. I'll show you the log application. You can find it in the Google Play Store or in an App Store. The application is this. This is Filmmaker. If you don't see it, this is Filmmaker. If you don't see it, this is Filmmaker. Okay, if you don't see it, this is Filmmaker. Okay, I'll clear them all. Okay, no, I can. If you want this, this is it. This is it. Okay, this is the okay, nothing. Okay, now we gotta try right. X. Where I record, I'll use the record application. Is the X recorder application. Sis. Or if you don't see it, sis. If you can't see it, zzz. If you can't see it, zzz. If you can't see it, zzz. Yes, okay. I don't care. So see you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos like that. Comment what I'll do in the next video. Please help me reach 10 followers. Please. Oh no, that's so funny. Okay, let's try something. Exit.